What's good, everybody? We are back for week 29. It's gonna be a beautiful week this week. Appreciate everybody that watched last week's video. Leave a like, comment. Hopefully the vehicle that you commented that would be presented in this week's video was right. Once again, I am very blessed, very appreciative of the amount of views, likes, comments on week 27's video. It's amazing, up to 191 subscribers. Hopefully it just keeps building up and building up. Few things, we are still getting this going. The tunnel cover just got here today, and we just got the amp rack all done. This was done by Pauline, the guy that does all of our upholstery and everything. Just realize y'all are seeing this truck being built in real time. It's not no past. No, y'all are, every video that I put any info on this truck right here, y'all are seeing it being built here and live. So appreciate everybody that watches the videos. Few other things, the Hummer H3 is getting wrapped by a buddy of ours. Y'all remember the Scarface truck? It is him and his wife that are gonna be wrapping the H3. We are doing a, let me show y'all actually. It's gonna be a nice, kind of hard to see on the phone real quick, but it's like a nice satin teal. I don't know why I went with that color, just wanted something that would stand out. And black, the Hummer does look nice black, but the way that I like my vehicles, I like them to scream, I like them to stand out and be super loud. So that's definitely gonna get it done. Cannot wait until that gets done. Hopefully we're gonna have it before July 11th, before Night Wars. But we shall see, no rush. I just want everything to be done right, everything to come out the way that I envisioned it. And so yeah, super excited about that. Hold up, I hear a little bit of rumbling outside of the garage. Let's go take a look, see what it is out there. Y'all guessed the gray truck in last week's video, y'all got it right. All right, before I give y'all the sound test, let's go ahead and just skim through the entire inside of the truck with all the sound system equipment that it has. And then I'm gonna give y'all the number that we tallied up for how much stuff this truck has with equipment inside of it. So we got the 2007 Chevy single cab. This truck has a lot of history to it. This truck, when he first got it, did not look anything like this. I will be showing y'all pictures, befores and afters all the stuff that's been through this truck. This was like this was his very first truck that he had ever gotten, and this truck has been sold, rebought, and then it ended up back with him, and he did pretty much everything to it. Rims, paint, lowered it, pretty much everything, down to the sound system, everything. So right now we're gonna take a deep dive. Let's come on. All right, so for starters, we got the Pioneer stereo, the 10-inch Pioneer stereo, along with the center console that has two DS18 8-inch speakers in it, one on each side, and it's held in for the Samsung tablet. Open and closable compartment. This was all built right here with us. Got the titty panel back here. Just move the seat right quick. Got the amps back here. Got the blow through cut right here with 4 DS18 15s, 2500 RMS a piece. Got the other Hyphonics Brutus 4K amp. Got the other one on this side. So right now, gotta give y'all sound test. Also got 2 batteries, upgraded alternator, other battery on that side, all with 0 gauge wiring. So now I'm about to give y'all a sound test. Yeah, that is gonna conclude the first vehicle of the week that we review. It was the 2007 Chevy single cab. Like I said, this truck has a lot of history to it just because this was his very first truck that he bought. And like I said, got resold, got sold back to him, sold it again, stuff like that, and it ended up back in our hands. This truck literally has like 40,000 something miles on it. Let me double check real quick. Yup, 40,456 miles, original miles on it. And yeah, this truck is not going nowhere. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the sound test. And right about now, I'm about to tell y'all how much everything came out to with upholstery, sound system, all that types of stuff. So I tallied up the entire grand total with all the sound system, everything that was done to this vehicle to, let me see, the total of $15,220. So yeah, that's a lot of money that was thrown into this truck, and that's not counting everything. That's not counting lowering it, that's not counting painting it. Or honestly, I think this is the original paint of the truck. I could be wrong, but I swear it's always been this color my entire life. I'm telling you, he's had this truck since I was a little kid. Before I got into helping him out, working here, stuff like that. So it definitely is crazy. Got the whole list of it all right here on my phone. This came down to everything: center console, subs, box, how much he charges to cut the truck, do all that type of stuff. So hopefully y'all enjoyed, and we will keep going on the rest of this week, and next week we're gonna have another vehicle here to go through and do all that fun stuff. All right, everybody, we just finished up another Charger Hellcat. Setup in this Hellcat, this wide body Hellcat, we threw everything Rockford Fosgate as far as amplifiers. 1 channel amp for the 2 Sundown E-Series 12s, 500 RMS a piece. The custom box that sits literally nice and flush in these Challengers, Chargers, anything Dodge really. They even got ones that sit nice and flush for Jeeps, as y'all have seen in previous videos. We also changed out all the door speakers, front tweeters, and rear speakers to nothing but DS18. So DS18 3.5s up front, 6x9s right here in the doors, and then in the back 6x9 DS18s as well. So that's pretty much it. This one also has a audio control epicenter in it, and this thing sounds real nice and clean. Let me show you out.
On them bars, my pinky ring extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menard? Yeah, Toyin brick. I'm shopping for diamonds and Tiffany's. Nah, I don't got no sympathy. Nah, she blew my whistle like a referee. Punk black nigga, remember me? I found out that recipe. I'm out of here, my team. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed. 100 shots, 100 shots, 100 shots, 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a whole 100 shots? You know I commit my trap if you don't shot. Get out, bro. Before you come through that back door, you better know. Get the know. They been waiting on this gangster shit to drop. Even though fuck niggas that wish I could be stopped. Hey, how many dicks you suck to get that couple million?
What's good, everybody? It is Thursday today in the shop. Super excited, super ecstatic with how the progress of this one is coming along. I did not do too much recording. I know it's been like 2 days. I did not do too much recording just because, like I said, we made it a point to put our heads down and start getting this truck done. To get it out of here, we need the space in the shop for when this guy brings his Chevy single cab to get the 4 Orion 15s blow through done and get all that done as well. So we need the room in here to get this beautiful truck out. So right now, I'm gonna give y'all a little preview of everything that's already been done to it. As y'all can see, the box is already in the truck, already all in there. And the stunt wall is getting finished up as well. The wires for the stunt wall and for the switch for the LED lights are already ran right here. We're just gonna run them through here, pass them through, and that one will be done. This is also gonna be taking a beauty panel over the whole entire thing of it, over the top, laying on top of this one and on top of that one to cover everything. So, center console with the 2 amps that are in it as well. And keep in mind, if y'all don't remember, the seats all take speakers in the headrests. So every single seat, there's 4 seats in total, have speakers on the headrests. Painted this yesterday as well. Cut it to fit the measurement of the box sliding through without any issues. We also have the beauty panel and amp rack that's gonna be going over there because we are gonna be doing the amps that go for the stunt wall in the back and the one that's going into the front grille. And yes, I did say front grille. It's also taking speakers up there. So, can't really see it, but literally in that grille right there, I think it's a total of 4 speakers and 2 tweeters, a DS18 little rack that it has up there. And then right now, so I'm gonna show y'all right now all the wires that I ran yesterday, everything. I put 3 grounds from the chassis to connect to this battery right here. So let's take a look. Another thing I forgot to leave out, each door has the DS18s with the color bullet on it. Has the color bullet as well, and another color super tweeter right there. So all those are gonna be connected to switches, everything. So these two, the ones that are controlling the outside speakers of the exterior of the vehicle, are gonna be on the same switch. These right here are gonna be on normal. That one, and the epicenter are gonna be on just normal remote. Same with the bass amps. Those are gonna be on normal remote wires as well. So yeah, I'm super excited with how this is gonna turn out. Like I said, we're shooting to get it done today or tomorrow, but it has to get done. We gotta get this truck out of here, so we are literally on crunch time right now. So I'm gonna keep going, get everything all installed and done, and then give y'all a preview of how it looks when it's all done. All right, everybody, we are in the shop today. It is Friday. Right now, we got a Toyota Tundra. Obviously, y'all can see the door panels are all off, taken apart. This Toyota Tundra is gonna be taking 6x9 kicker 3-way speakers up front, 6.5 2-ways in the rear, and each door has its own tweeter. So 3 1/4 or 3/4 inch tweeters that we're gonna be throwing in on each of the doors, replacing all the stock ones. This one does have JBL sound system in it, so we have to bypass the factory amp. It already has subs and a bass amp, but he got that installed at another shop. Didn't like how it turned out, so we are also gonna fix all the little details of that as well. But for now, let's get it going. Right now we're gonna get everything all installed. Everything's already gutted, so I will keep y'all updated on this one.
clásicos, las trocas, mis juguetes. No soy novato, tengo rato en el ambiente. Un español y un frisón bailan alegre. Le entré pa' ganar, no pa' perderle. Y abajo tuve que empezar, pero ahora la marca mundial ya se conoce en muchas partes. La cosa sería pasar las trocas con el Ortigas representando en todas partes. Los arrancones, la velocidad me prende. Y con un gallo me relajo bien la mente. Tengo de todo para que nunca me cuenten. El mundo se hizo para el que se atreve. Voy por lo que quieren sin pensarlo. Siempre de chavalo sigo laborando. Por la noche me miran paseando en un tronco sumando, las dedos sonando, botellas de champaña tronando, siempre celebrando en los mejores antros. Y sé que muchos me dudaron, pero miren dónde ando. Los carros que había soñado, todos los pude comprar. Gracias a Dios que mis jales, muchos frutos y nada. Dicen que soy alguien malo, y eso no lo sé por qué. Creo que se han agüitado, porque los arrebaté. Tan solo de 24 y muchas cosas que logré. Lo que ahorita ando buscando, no todos pueden tener. Amigos tengo muy pocos, y la neta es verdad. Muchos solo quieren comer de mi plato nada más. Y no entiendo, pero cómo es que eso me pueda pasar. Nunca se abrieron conmigo, ¿quieres que me desingan? No soy normal, no sé qué me pasa. Huele chingada mal cuando hay hambre en casa. No soy normal, no sé.
So we're gonna close this video out. Like I said, appreciate everybody that watched the video, everybody that gonna leave a like, gonna leave a comment. Comment anything you want, whether it's positive or it's negative, because there's always negative comments every time, everywhere. in the world, so it's all good. It's just more engagement for our channel. But comment whatever you want, leave a like, share it, subscribe it. I appreciate y'all, and we'll see y'all next week.